Hi, it's Nicole from Cricut. In this video, we'll show you how to design your own custom multicolored image for iron-on, also known as HTV or heat transfer vinyl, in Design Space. Stick around for the second video for a walkthrough of how to press multiple layers of iron-on. First, I'm going to show you a quick example so you can see how different multi-layered images look on the canvas. Then we'll design our custom multi-layered t-shirt project. Let's head to Design Space. Starting on a new canvas, I'll click on Images, then Image Sets. Here, I'll type in t-shirts. You can see you'll get a lot of fun results. If we click on one of the sets, we can filter for multi-layered to get just the images that have multiple layers or colors. There are so many cool images in these sets that were designed specifically for layered iron-on projects. I love this fox image, so I'm going to select just this one. Let's add it to the canvas to see layers in action. Let's open up our templates to see how this design would look on a white t-shirt. I'm going to resize this to fit better on this large men's t-shirt template. Here in the Layers panel, you can see there are only 3 layers, or colors, to this image. You can see that the white in the fox's paws and the end of its tail are showing through from the color of the shirt. Let's change the color of the shirt to see how it would look. Click on the template image at the bottom of the Layers panel to bring up the Template Edit bar. I'll change the color to preview how the design would look on a different color. For example, if we have a gray blank shirt, the whites of the paws and the end of the tail will be gray. Let's change it back to white. Now let's change each of the layers to match the color of iron-on material that we plan to use. For instance, I'll change the beige of the grass to green because I plan to use green iron-on. Remember, change the color of layers on the canvas to match the colors you plan on using so that you load the correct color on the mat at the appropriate time. Now that we've gone through the basics of layers and colors, let's design our custom t-shirt. I just got back from a ski trip, so I'm going to design a t-shirt for my group of friends. Starting on a new canvas, I'll search images for snowboard goggles. I like this image with the mountains reflecting on the lens, but I'm going to choose this multi-layered image because it has more color. Let's add it to the canvas. Now I'm going to customize this project for my ski group. I'll click on Text and type in the location of our ski trip first. I like using a thicker font with iron-on because it's easier to weed and press onto my t-shirt. Let's center our text above the goggles, then curve it to match the top curve. I'll resize my text using these arrows at the bottom of the bounding box for the best fit. To make this extra personal, I'm going to add our group name and the year of the trip along the bottom of the goggles. I'll resize it to fit below and then curve it in the other direction to match the contour of the image. Once that looks good, I'll ungroup the layers of the goggles and select the text and the background layer. Then I'll attach so that I don't have to hand place this when I go to press. Next, I'll send this layer to the back so I can see how the design lays out. The darkest layer will be my bottom layer. That's it! Save your project and join us in the next video to learn how to press this personalized layered iron-on t-shirt. Bye!